Kamusta, buddies? And welcome to our video for today. Okay, so in my last video, I have tackled that Nagato somewhat is not 100% instacasting his three-headed dog if placed in position in player 3 and player 4. And many of you advise that Nagato will work well if I place him here in the second position in the final room. And to report you the result after day 3 since Nagato's Rikit came, 7 players managed to reach my final room. And 2 of those attack, unfortunately, once again, Nagato did not instacast the three-headed dog when equipped with plus the new LB. Okay, so let me show you. Here are some clips. I will show you also the clips where he did not instacast. Okay, so as you can see, even in position 2, Nagato will still not 100% instacast his three-headed dog. Now, okay, so other people are advising this also. So let's try this comment that I saw from Swagkun. As you can see on the screen, he said, put a space between the two jutsu. What he mean is, there is no jutsu in the middle. So we will place the LB here in the third position. So how to do that? So usually it's hard to create space if you will just equip and unequip the jutsu here. For example, I will place it here to that, and then we will just remove this, so it will move naturally. Therefore, in order to do this, we will remove the card itself of the middle jutsu. So we will go to the bank. This is how I put spaces between jutsu lineup. So we'll find that specific card. Where is it? There. And then we store it inside. So when we return to Nagato, as you can see, there is a space already. So Now, on day 4, we will try if this strategy will work with Nagato. By the way, if you want to put other cards there, don't put any Nagato's cards. So, put other good cards. Except for his jutsu. So, it will remain like this. So, yun lang mga katropa. Wait, stay tuned for the result for the day 4. If this lineup will work, will Nagato 100% instacast already his 3-headed dog even though the new LV is also equipped. Kita-kits mga katropa.